Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to create these two Rakis using pulses from home. So first I am going to show you the things I have used: the charts, cardboard, acrylic paint, compass especially needed for creating circles. So then I'm gonna use different pulses which is available in home. So all these pulses, not exactly, but I'm going to give that idea what we can use. So then we can I'm gonna use thread and scissor. So first, this is the cardboard which I used in the last video. So whatever remains, I just keep it safe so that I can use for the next craft that I'm gonna make. So now I'm going to make Rocky for my nephew for his school competition. So first I'm creating a circle using the compass. First I have measured the size of my hand so that I can approximately have an idea how the size of a kid's hand looks, and to make them tie, the measurement is necessary. So I created a circle using a compass and cutting it, and I created another circle using same compass but with lesser size. So I'm gonna make some layered rocky like structure. So I'm going to use these two cardboards, and at the bottom cardboard I'm going to make two holes using the scissors so that I can add the thread inside of it. I'm not just going to paste the thread in the behind of the rocky because we're gonna send that to the school, so it will come away if we pull that hard. So I just make a hole and gonna insert the thread inside that hole. So now I'm just cut it out this pink chart according to the size of the big circle, and I'm going to paste that chart over the cardboard, and before that I'm going to insert the thread into the cardboard by just passing the thread from one hole to the another and making sure it is even or not. So now it is ready. Now I'm going to paste it using Camlin gum glue, white glue. So now just apply glue over the cardboard and spread it well, and I'm just pasting the chart, and at the background and back side also I'm going to paste it. So to make sure it is highly safe, it will not come out, I just left some extra space of chart so that I can fold it back and paste it well. So in similar way I'm going to do for the smaller circle as well. I just pasted the green color chart over that small cardboard circle cardboard, and now it is ready. Now I'm going to paste it as well. So make sure it is at the center, and yeah, now I'm going to paste it well, and now the I'm going to apply glue at the end, corner of the smaller circle so that I can use this pulses. I'm going to use here sabudana in Hindi, and in Tamil it is called as javarsi. So now I'm going to paste it around the circle. This I like this especially when compared to other dal varieties, because it looks white color looks really elegant, so I make use of that. And now I'm going to use the chana dal, and I'm just going to use the red color acrylic paint to paint it, all the chana dals that I'm going to use. So the normal chana dal color is not that much appealing when it comes to for the rocky. So instead of stones, any fancy stones, we're gonna use the pulses alone. So I just painted chana dal, and before pasting it I just gonna paste another one thing. So now I'm going to paste this dal at the inner part of that green color chart, just one by one. With this, this dal is really small, so we have to be patient while pasting it. And once you're done, and once I'm done, I'm going to paste the colored chana dal, and it is dry now. So yeah, before pasting that I forgot this. Yeah, I'm going to paste another layer of sabudana to make it more contrast version. So yeah, now I'm going to paste the chana dal. This combo looks really attractive, and with high contrast it looks really good. So make sure if you are painting and pasting it, you just make sure that color have contrast colors. Now I just used moong dal at the border of the outer border of all the dal, and now I'm going to make some designs for that rope thread that I used. So I'm just using the gum. I'm just doing like this to make sure I just join the two threads all together, and then I'm going to use the same red color which I used at the center for the chana dal to paint the thread. Just paint really well, and here it is, the beautiful dal Rakhi is ready. And next I'm going to make the flower Rakhi. Here I'm not gonna concentrate much on the dal varieties. I'm just going to concentrate on the chart details. So mainly the chart detail is necessary. So first I'm going to use one layer of green chart and two layer of pink chart for making the flower. So make sure the green color chart is bigger, so it looks like a bottom leaf for the flower. And I'm drawing another circle inside to create a petal like look for all three circles, for the pink circles as well. So here I will show how I make this. So I drawn one another circle inside the big circles, and now for the green chart, this I'm going to make it look like leaves like. So now I'm going to create a divided it into 8 parts, so I can draw some petal like shapes. And then for the same I'm going to divide this bigger pink petal chart into 8 parts, and I'm going to draw a design here. In each division I'm going to draw two petals, since it's gonna look a little bit smaller compared to the green one. I made it two petals inside it. So to make it more accurate, I drawn some lines at the inner side so I can draw accurately. Now I'm going to cut all these three petals. Before cutting accurately, just cut approximately around it so you can feel comfortable to easily cut the small parts instead of keeping the whole chart in hand and making it more difficult. So yeah, now I'm just cutting it like almost in a triangle shape in each side of the petal. So now it is ready, and I'm going to do the same thing for the pink charts as well. Just first cut it in a smaller piece, and then just cut like a triangle. You will get the petal shape. So if you don't feel comfortable, just cut in the circle shape itself and just cut in the triangle shape. It's easy and simple. So this is how you're gonna make. Now I just cut it out all these three things, and now I'm going to paste. Before pasting, we need a strong base to make it look like a petals, like a bended petals. So I'm going to create a base for all three using the cardboard. So I just measured the size of each petal flower charts. I'm not going to use the same size. I just reduce the size so that the cardboard doesn't look visible while pasting. So now I'm just folding the flower to make the layer to make it look like a flower. So just gonna paste like this. First paste the cardboard in the back side of the pink chart. Before pasting, make sure you bend it well to make it look like a flower. So now it is ready. Then I'm going to apply chart, glue over the cardboard and then gonna paste like this. Yeah, done. And for the next layer, I'm going to do the same thing but with a twist. So just paste the base cardboard over the chart exactly at the center. And before pasting this small layer over the big layer, I'm going to add the sabudana in the first layer of the flower petals. So I'll show you now. Just fold this petal as well like a beautiful flower. So before pasting it, just apply glue on the first layer and just pour the sabudana, or you don't need to paste it one by one. Just drop in without any space, and do like this. Press it well so it will not, it doesn't come out. If you feel there is any minute space, make sure just it is filled. Now it is ready. Just gonna apply the you know uh, I'm just gonna do the same thing at the top layer. Just apply glue and drop the sabudana over it. Make sure it doesn't have any gap so it look like a beautiful flower. And now in the first layer we have sabudana, right? Over that I'm going to apply the glue and then going to place this small layer. So just add glue, not well as we need more glues for this because the sabudana layer is almost they are not in even size, so we can find gap. So um, use some extra glue and then paste it. Now it is done. Then for the base I'm going to add the rope. As I told before, I'm just not going to add the rope as just by pasting, so it doesn't look safe. So for the safety purpose, I just made two holes at the bottom cardboard and then send that thread from one hole to another. Then now it is ready, and I'm going to paste the flour over it. And if that basement looks awkward, you can just add another layer of green color chart to make it look more in a decent manner. So like this, but this circle should not look revealing while you are looking from the top. We should only see the petals and the leaves. So paste in that size, and now it is ready. I love this rocky it is look. It looks really beautiful, and sometimes it looks like a um, you know uh, something like a haldi ceremony, that jewels. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel.